Okay, so for today's experiment, we're going to be taking the mass of a liquid using the scale. So it's important to use the same scale throughout the experiment so that you don't get any inconsistencies with your data. Because if you switch scales halfway through, there could be something wrong with the second scale, and that could cause your data to be skewed. Also, one of the things that you want to make sure before you start weighing is that you have tiered or zeroed out the scale by pressing this button. So we're just going to zero it out. You also want to make sure that all of these windows are closed so that there's no external forces affecting your mass. You also want to make sure that all of the instruments, your beakers that you're using, have been properly cleaned before, because that can affect the mass of your final substance. So you want to make sure that everything is clean and ready.
Hi, I'm Samantha, and today we're going to demonstrate how to use the balance. So first, you're going to zero the balance and place your empty beaker and close the door. And that is 109.616 grams. And then we're going to take the empty beaker out, transfer our liquid, place the beaker with our water in there, and it's 161.725. So when you're done, you'll take that out. And that means that the water weighs 52.109 grams.
Hey, I'm going to show you all how to weigh a beaker today. First off, you make sure that your scale is tiered. The windows are closed. Open the window. Place the beaker inside. Okay. Alright, so our number is going to be 109.150. Okay. Take the beaker out. Add the water to the beaker. Tare the scale. Place the beaker on top of the scale. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be 161.881.
Hey, I'm Jeremy. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the balance properly. First, you want to turn it on. And then weigh out the beaker, which is going to be 100.888 grams. You're going to pull that out. Pour the H2O in. And then remeasure that beaker, which is 153.616 grams. Which is equal to 52.722 grams.